Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make s'mores, two different methods. So the very first method is going to be using a microwave, which I'm going to show you that here first, and it only takes about 15 seconds. And then the second method is going to be using either a fire pit or a campfire to roast your marshmallows. So the ingredients that we need for this project is going to be some Hershey's, some marshmallows, and some graham crackers. All right, the very first method is going to be the microwave method. So what we're going to do is you're going to get a full size graham cracker, break it in half so it looks like this, and I'm going to be making two s'mores. So let me do the second one here. And then we're just going to stick this in the microwave for 15 seconds. So I already have it set to 15 seconds. And press start. So you can see the time counting down. You can see the marshmallows are starting to puff up. That's normal. And it's done. So the marshmallows are all puffed up. What you're gonna do is take it out the microwave, and you're going to take your marshmallow and stick it right on top of your chocolate there, just like that. And for the second one, just like that. And what's gonna happen is the marshmallow is actually gonna start to melt the chocolate. Yummy. As you can see right here, and the chocolate is actually already soft too because it was being microwaved as well. So those are ready to go. So now on to the second method, which is the campfire or fire pit method. All right, for the second method, it's really easy. You need the graham crackers, your marshmallows, and Hershey's, but this time we're actually going to need a skewer. So you can actually put your marshmallow onto the skewer and roast your marshmallow. Some people like it really charred. I like mine nice and golden brown. And once it's just right, you can go ahead and put it on your graham cracker, and then go ahead and put your milk chocolate Hershey's bar onto it, and it'll melt it and you get the same effect. Nice and tasty. So those are my two favorite methods to make s'mores. Definitely comment below on your favorite method on how you make yours. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.